There's a type of product image that actually stops people mid-scroll, makes them click, and then, most importantly, makes them buy. It's called a hero shot, and it used to cost thousands of dollars to produce, but not anymore. I'm super excited today to talk to you about what the hero shot preset inside of Invideo.io actually is. If you're doing things the traditional way, you need way more people involved. Creative directors, art directors, photographers, in order to turn a simple photo into an acceptable ad-ready campaign image. Advertising Studio, which we're going to be showing you today, only requires you, and that's going to be changing the tradition. Now, as you can see, top right, we are logged into our account here, and this is the Advertising Studio here. We're going to click on Advertising Studio. Folks, so now that we have clicked on the free Advertising Studio, again, reminding you that you can go ahead and try that right now for free. Links in the description. We've got all the different labels here, but here, this is the one we want to try today, the hero shot. Free, as we can see. We're going to click on that as an example. A perfume, create that project. As we can see, the hero shot trend is there. Okay, so what I've done, I've uploaded our plain image of the perfume that we do want to market. But using the hero shot template, we can actually paste in our detailed little brief there. Campaign hero shot for a unisex woody fragrance. Deep black background, single dramatic spotlight from above catching the glass stopper. Smoke or mist effect at the base, cinematic, luxury, editorial. Feels like a print ad. So we're happy with that. We're gonna hit unlimited for the generation, and we're gonna let that come through. As we can see, this is seriously impressive. Go to the before image right here. That's the before image that we can see, and look how good this is. What's really cool is, you can use the video here, which is great. You can take the actual shot there and the actual image there. But if we just have a look at that, it's got creative direction. It's creating an atmosphere. We've got that lighting coming down from the top. The strong brief was really accurate here. We've got the charcoal, like wood fire in the background. Focus is really on the fun. The next one we're going to be showing you guys is the 360 product video. So again, we're still in Advertising Studio. We're going to click on 360 product video. We're going to create the new project. We're going to call this one supplements. We're going to show you another example. All right, so we've got the plain protein powder tub here, just a basic image. Smooth 360 rotating video for a premium protein powder tub. Clean gradient background in charcoal and silver. Slow rotation, sharp studio lighting catching the label detail. Professional and athletic. So let's go ahead and generate that right now. Okay, so as we can see, it's come through and let's have a look. Nice. You don't actually have to upload every single image out of the 6, but you do need at least 2 for it to generate that 360 studio video. All right, so let's go have a look. This is basically the image that we uploaded. Nice and simple. And have a look at how crisp this 360 video is. Yep, it's getting the 360 rotation, the nice clean background. All right, so the next segment we're gonna be looking at inside, again, Advertising Studio, is this one right here, catalog photography. So we're gonna go ahead and start a new project here about jewelry. We're gonna give you an example with some jewelry. So we create that new project. Okay, so we've got our strong brief here. Lifestyle catalog shot for a minimalist gold chain necklace draped on a smooth creamstone surface. Soft natural light from the left, a small dried flower beside it. Clean, feminine, premium jewelry editorial feel. This is our base image right here, as you can see. Nice and simple. Let's go ahead and generate this. Make sure you've got the trend set to catalog photography, and that's gonna go ahead and generate it for us. All right, let's take a look here. So feminine. That's great that it actually used an attractive woman in there. Powerful gold chain. You look at that and just go, wow, I just wanna buy that. Really nice. What you've gotta realize, folks, is that the images and videos we've just shown you here would be extremely expensive to create the traditional way. We're talking thousands of dollars. We're talking multiple people involved. We're talking high levels of stress, and we're talking about a long timeline, maybe a week or more to actually get that done. Now you can do it yourself without any special expertise for free. And if you want to scale up, you can get on a prepaid plan. Just upload your product photo and see what the creative director and advertising studio can do for you. It's pretty profound. You've seen the proof. Now, what you need to realize is that a hero shot isn't just a photo. It's a campaign image. It evokes emotion. It makes the client want to buy. It creates identity. It really does carry emotional weight and impact, all in one place. The creative director really understands this distinction. It doesn't just light your product cleanly. It gives it a whole identity and brand direction, and in turn, makes a real statement. Composition, negative space, lighting, drama, background, every decision is made to optimize visual impact, not just product clarity. This is basically the image that's going to be on your website homepage, your landing page, and your out-of-home brief. You have to realize it needs to stop people in their tracks to get them to buy. Now, folks, a traditional hero shot requires mood boarding, planning, a location, and all the different people to work on it, to the lighting, everything. It really is a lot of work, but not anymore. For basic routine images, brands usually spend thousands and wait weeks. The creative director on IO does this with just one simple image in seconds. For your brand, product, or campaign, this basically removes the biggest bottleneck and lets you try out multiple options for a fraction of the cost, much more efficiently. And where does that hero shot work the hardest? It's going to be on your website homepage. It's the first image your customers see, and it's going to set the entire tone for your brand. Campaign landing pages are also a really important place to have these done. Paid social, like Meta or TikTok, they're also perfect for PR and press kits, making everything look professional at an editorial level, not to mention for out-of-home and print briefs, where you need to show some creative direction before committing to a full production. Your hero image is the most valuable creative asset your brand has. It's the first thing people see and the last thing they forget. Advertising Studio creates it from just one photo, completely free on Invideo right now. The link is in the description. And if you're producing hero shots at scale across multiple projects or clients, their paid plans are designed exactly for that and come highly recommended.